Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Pokegemzart. Another fun, easy 3D geometric optical illusion, guys. Check out this cool arrow project. I'm going to teach you guys how to make it in such an easy way, guys. But before we get started, please hit subscribe. Guys, turn on those notifications. That way you won't miss out on any future videos or any future projects. Alright, let's get started, guys. What I did is I am going to do this one on graph paper for you guys, just to make it nice and easy. As you see, I'm counting the squares, guys. I'm going to give you the full measurements in a minute, but the arrow basically starts with 6 squares down and 6 squares across. Now, you could, like I said, convert this to inches, centimeters, connect them together to create a triangle. Next thing you're going to do is on the angled side, you're going to come in 2 angled squares, mark that. Then you will count down 4 triangles like that, and you're going to connect that together. So that's going to give you the base of your arrow. Now guys, how easy was that? You can do this on regular paper, but obviously it takes a little bit more work to kind of measure everything, make it straight. That's why I love to use the graph paper and show you guys the projects on the graph paper. And then we can always take it and convert it over to regular paper. Alright guys, to make the end of the arrow 3D, we're going to come out straight off the angle. We will come out 3 boxes and then connect those together. And that's going to make the bottom of our arrow. You see how that creates that illusion, that depth, the 3D? And then from there, we're going to make the same thing on the top. So basically, this is going to be the bottom of the opposite arrow. Sounds a little confusing, but you'll see in a minute how that's going to all make sense when it all comes together. So basically, kind of that angled rhombus that we made on the bottom, we're making the same thing on the top there too, which is going to be, like I said, the other side of the arrow. So we're connecting that together to start creating our body of the other side of the arrow. So you'll see in a minute how that's gonna all start coming together. Here is the other side of that. And then once we're done with that, then we need to start creating the actual arrow part. So kind of same way that we made our triangle on that side, basically same thing here. Look, again, 6 boxes down, 6 boxes across. And then this is the main part of the angled arrow. And then connect that together like so. Basically same thing exactly, guys, that we did on the other side. There, and then connect it. We're almost there, guys. Couple more lines. Alright, we need to make a line here, which is going to be our other side of the arrow. Look how easy that was, guys. And then one more line here to kind of match it. So basically you have kind of a flip-flop arrow. Next thing I'm going to show you guys here is the full measurements. Check these out here. I wrote it out for you how many boxes. Like I said, guys, simply if you want to do this on regular paper, take all these numbers, convert them over to inches, or convert them to centimeters, whatever you guys want, but just kind of keep the proportion the same. Alright, next thing we're going to do here is we want to do some coloring. But before we do that, guys, I'm going to go over everything with my permanent marker. As you guys know, you guys have seen my projects before, I almost always start out everything with pencil. Guys, that is the way that I was taught. That's what I like to do, because when I start with pencil, I know that no matter what mistake I make, I can always erase it. If you start with marker, you know, it's one step less, but if you make a mistake, there's really no going back to erasing permanent marker. So I love starting out with pencil, making sure all my lines are perfectly straight, and then when I'm done, I'll go over it with marker. So simple, easy little art instruction. Alright guys, next thing I'm going to do here is do a little bit of coloring. So the actual part of the 2 arrows, I'm going to color with a dark black marker. Now guys, feel free to use any colors you want. I used blacks and grays. I feel that they come off really nicely. They give you a nice 3D illusion. They come off the white paper well. But guys, I've done this project with red. I've done it with green. Any colors, guys. And then also use different materials. Use crayons, use colored pencils. Guys, check out this other project. Speaking of other colors, look how cool this other project is. When we finish up with this one, come back here. It just showed up on your screen. It's another awesome 3D illusion project that I did using other colors to show you that, guys, not everything in my type of geometric art has to just be done with grays, blacks, and whites. Feel free to use other colors, guys. Alright, we're almost done here, guys. I'm just doing a really quick coloring. When you guys get a chance, you know, take your time. You can go over this. As you see, you can kind of see my marker lines a little bit. I'm just doing this quickly just to give you guys an idea. you know, I would, before the final project is done, I'd probably let this dry for a couple seconds, maybe go over it one more time with a darker marker. Alright, and then this middle section, I'm just going to give it a really light shading with the side of my pencil. Guys, regular pencil, not going to use a charcoal this time. Changing it up a little bit. That's basically it. Look how easy that was, guys. Simple materials, a couple of markers, a pencil, a ruler, and that's it. Look at that. You can just take a couple materials, make this awesome 3D geometric illusion. Guys, if you like that project, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, guys. I post on TikTok and Instagram every single day. Check out those videos. Check out my website, guys, pokegemz.com, if you're interested in any Pokegemz merchandise or swag. And guys, if you haven't done so, please smash that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and I will see you guys on the next one.